Welcome to another exciting recipe on my channel. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Today we're making a mouth-watering pineapple chicken stir-fry that's bursting with flavor and goodness. Let's start by preparing our chicken. Take 2 chicken fillets and cut them into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Transfer the chicken to a mixing bowl. Then take 5 to 6 canned pineapple rings along with their juice. Take 1 cup of pineapple juice and add it to the bowl with the chicken. We will be using pineapples lately. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for a savory flavor. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. Add it to the mixture for extra aroma and taste. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the chicken is evenly coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl with cling film and refrigerate for 20-40 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. After marinating, remove the chicken from the refrigerator. Pour about 1 cup of the marinade over the chicken, reserving the rest for later use. Drain the excess marinade from the chicken. To create a crispy coating, add 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the chicken. Mix until the chicken pieces are uniformly coated with the flour mixture. This will help the chicken develop a golden brown crust when cooked. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the chicken pieces in a single layer. Allow them to cook undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they develop a golden brown crust on one side. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once the chicken is cooked through, transfer it to a separate plate and set aside. Cut 3 white onions into half rings. In the same pan used for frying the chicken, add the sliced white onions. Cook until they become translucent and slightly caramelized. Chop 1 red bell pepper. Then, add the chopped red bell pepper to the pan. Stir well to combine the ingredients. Cooking the onions and bell peppers together adds sweetness and crunch to the dish. Cut the pineapple rings into smaller pieces. Then add them to the pan with the onions and bell peppers. This adds a tropical sweetness and tanginess to the dish, complementing the savory flavors of the chicken and vegetables. Cook everything together for an additional 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Return the cooked chicken pieces to the pan with the onions, bell peppers, and pineapple. Pour in the remaining marinade to enhance the flavors and create a delicious sauce. Simmer everything together for another 5 minutes to allow the flavors to blend and the sauce to thicken slightly. While the chicken and vegetables are simmering, bring a large saucepan of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt to the boiling water. Once boiling, add 8 ounces or 250 grams of Chinese noodles to the saucepan. Boil the noodles for approximately 4 minutes, or until they are cooked al dente, meaning they still have a slight bite to them. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them and transfer them to a serving plate. To add a burst of freshness and color, finely chop a small bunch of green onions. Then sprinkle them over the noodles and chicken. This adds a mild onion flavor and a pop of green to the dish. Your pineapple chicken stir-fry is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot and savor the delicious combination of flavors and textures. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.